wanted to compete. I feel like I haven't competed in quite a bit, and I just needed to run and compete. And I feel like today was a little bit rough because I just don't think I was comfortable enough to be able to be up there, and I didn't close as good as I would like to close. But obviously 14:43 a pre is okay, I guess. But it's nothing to scream about. It's obviously nothing to be like, oh, I got this, you know. I still have work to do, and I look forward to going and doing those. But it's just good to get out there and compete and see how you stuck up.
What do you feel like is keeping you from being fully comfortable right now?
Well, just because I think, after the marathon, I had a horrible 2 months of not running, so I started training in January, and so I'm a little bit behind just from that. And then I just ran one race before these, and I missed the entire indoor season. So I feel like I'm a little bit uncomfortable in terms of just the pace, and you can't do that. You can't simulate that in training. You can only do that actually in a race. And so just the more I race, the better. And that showed today. I think I wasn't comfortable enough because I haven't raced enough. I haven't gotten comfortable with that kind of running yet. I think down the road I'll get sharper and things will progress, and hopefully I'll go to Rio, you know? That's the plan.
What do you have next lined up for your race schedule?
10K.
10K?
Yeah, the trials.
Okay.
So I have the trials coming up in a month or so, 3 weeks or so. So yeah, that's pretty much the goal, and then I'll probably have to race a few more races to get ready. But now it's just the trials.
And do you use time trials as a part of your training into?
No, I haven't. This season I haven't done that, just because I feel like I just needed the work. There was some work that I missed, and I just needed it.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.